Grace and peace, everyone. Welcome back to Faceovermatter. It is your girl Jay here. In today's video, we're going to be playing with a unit. As you guys can see, my hair is in some type of situation, but the braids did not have to be perfect, and you'll see why here in just a few minutes. So before we get started, I just wanted to say thank you so much for HerGivenHair for sponsoring today's video. I'm super excited. We have the units right here and we're gonna get right into it. I've mentioned like this type of unit before. This is a headband unit, you guys, and I absolutely love these headband units. I'll insert a couple pictures here of a headband unit that I previously had before. So I'm gonna have all of the details either here on the screen or down below in the description bar. Regardless of what, it will be down below in the description bar. Just that way you can have all of the information just in case you want to purchase. Also, I have some discount information to share with you guys as well. Okay, so the sale is starting March 9th. So today that I'm actually filming the video is March 9th. So it's gonna be March 9th through the 15th. So you do have some time to get your hands on it. So I'm really excited about that. Be sure to check the description for more details. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the net. Here it is. So if you guys have not seen the headband wigs, like you guys have to get onto them, okay? You have to get onto them because they are super easy. Like, I'm trying to tell you, I haven't been wearing a unit here recently like that, but it's the fact that like I have it available just in case I don't feel like doing my hair. So I was gonna actually film like a nice little wash and go hair video, but I was like, you know what? I got this unit and I'm ready to just put it on because I don't feel like doing it. So I washed and conditioned and oiled my scalp and all of that good stuff, and I just put them in like these little plaits. I'm kind of wishing I put these back a little bit more, but I'm gonna see how it sits. If I have to adjust my braids, I will. So this one in particular is a bang unit. Now the other one I had was not a bang. It was just like everything is like pushed back type of situation. So what you wanna do is just apply it on. You have your straps here for security. These are Velcro. So you do have this adjustable band in the inside as well for it to hook together. That way this joint is not going anywhere. I like to secure those first. And again, I always do that first because nice and snug. Okay. And what I really love about these wigs is like you don't have to be perfect with how you do your hair underneath. Like obviously you want to, take care of your hair underneath. I would still suggest a wig cap, but if you don't have a wig cap, I mean, it's not the biggest deal in the world. So now I'm just taking the Velcro and I am securing it down, making sure all the hair is in there, making sure my little adjustable band is locked down as well. So obviously we can pull the bang back, of course, adjust it to like your head and everything. Yeah, so this is what it looks like right now with no product. So we're gonna have to like pick it out and get it all nice and situated. But before we continue, I do want to show you, they do come with headbands of like different kinds. So they have like this one, they got like a regular black one, they got my favorite print, so we're probably gonna wear that one today. And then they have like silk wraps and stuff like that as well, which I think is awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the headband because obviously that's gonna cover this. So I'm just like trying to fluff it out before I start. I'm trying to see how much styling I can get out of it before adding any product, because I honestly would just like it dry, you know what I mean? So right now I'm just like a finger kind of teasing it a little bit with my hands. I mean, and this is just fresh out of the box, so I mean you can literally style it, just like this. But I love the conveniency of these because again, like if you do not feel like doing your real hair, like trying to tell you, stuff like this just comes in handy because Lord have mercy, being a natural is like, it's great, but then some days you just don't feel like doing it. It's a whole different level of like maintenance, okay? I love my natural hair, hear me out. I love my natural hair, but Lord knows I could use a break sometime. So that's just what it looks like right now, just with like finger teasing it and stuff. So I am going to grab my pick and then we're gonna style it a little bit. I might have to cut like some little flyaways just to like shape it better. But so far, I kind of like this shape. Like I don't want to do too much, but another bangs is a little long. Let me grab my scissors and I'll be right back. Okay, I added some earrings and now I got my shears and I have my hair pick. I'm gonna start by picking it first because I don't want to cut it too much. So I'm just like teasing it out, just that way I can get it the biggest that I can get, especially in the back. My dog be looking at me crazy when I put my units on. She is like, who is that? Okay, that is not who I be seeing walking around the house. Okay, I'm gonna take my shears and just kind of nibble away at a few hairs. I'm trying to tell you guys, I cannot wait until my real hair is like just this big naturally. But I guess until then we can just fake it, right? My other headband unit, let me tell you guys, I'll insert a picture of the one I'm referring to, but my other headband unit from HerGivenHair, it's not a bang, but again, it's just the headband that goes straight back. When I tell you, I get so many questions on that unit, like if that's my real hair, but it's just so crazy. It's so natural. You know, I've gotten so many compliments on it, like, oh, your hair is so beautiful. And in my mind, I'm thinking like, thanks, but it's a wig. So this is pretty much it. Like, I'm trying to make sure it's like even. I absolutely love this unit. It is so pretty. I just took some pictures. It's so pretty. It's so natural. It's just, ugh. But before I left, I wanted to show you guys the other one since I was here. So this is the previous unit that I had. I'll leave that one, that information down below as well. But again, this one is just the one that goes straight back. So this one is another good example that, you know, you don't have to have the bang if you don't want to. This one just goes straight back, and I'll show you guys this one too. So even removing it is easy. You just unhook the adjusting straps, pull the Velcro, make sure the prongs are not in your head, pull it off easy, and boom, that's it. That's it. All right, so this one is literally the same. You have the adjusting straps and the Velcro. Get your Velcro, secure your Velcro down. And then again, this one goes straight back. So let me make sure I adjust. And this one might be a little bit difficult with the way I have my hair braided. So if you're gonna do this one, do them straight back, but I think you guys get the idea. Now this one has already been kind of like previously styled, so I kind of have this one already in like a side part. And again, use the headband to put it on. All right, and then you just push it back, and then of course style it the way you want. Now of course this is like my favorite part because now you can do your edges. I'm just gonna use my trusty Eco gel. Do you guys say Eco or Echo? I've always said Eco. Like normal, you know, I need to lay my sideburns. I have super long sideburns, so I always like to make sure they get some love. And this one I literally just pulled straight out of my wig stash. So this has not been styled since for quite some time. And it is still holding up beautifully. Trying to perfect how I want to do my edges. Y'all ever try to do your edges and then it's like, I don't know which way I want each little part to swoop? That's what I'm trying to figure out at this point. And you see, simple as pie. Simple as pie. Hair is already done. Took you what, 10 minutes, if that? Throw the wig on and go. So you have two options. So I was so glad I was able to show you guys both. This one could use a little bit of love as far as like just some added moisture. But other than that, I mean, it has body, it's beautiful. Both of them are like that. Now again, this one has been styled previously, so if the curl pattern is a little different, it's because this one has been wet. I've sprayed this one before, I put gel on this one. I'm gonna style this one too eventually, but I just wanted to show them to you. I feel like every time I do the wig reviews, I'm always like putting gel and stuff in it, but like you see straight from the box, it's beautiful, okay? So that is it for today's video. Be sure again to check below in the description bar for all of the wig details. Also, the sale that is going on through the 15th, so make sure you guys do that. If you follow up with me on Instagram, I will have a highlights. It'll be in my highlights under favorites for a swipe up link. So just in case you don't want to go to the description box and you're just already on Instagram, just go to my highlights and swipe up and it'll be there as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. So as always, if you're new, I'm Jay. If you're not new, I thank you so much for supporting me with whatever I do here with my channel. I love each and every one of you to no end. And of course, until next time, God willing, I will see you all in my next one. Again, thank you so much for HerGivenHair for sponsoring today's video. I love both of my units, okay? I don't even know if I want to do a bang or this one today. We might do both. I don't know. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.